How to contact Alibaba.com support from Help Center. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up and we should be able to reach out to their support center directly. So let's get started. So we can go to Alibaba.com, and once we are here, what we can do is we can look out for an option for Help Center, or you can go to the section called Get Support, and here we'll be finding different options. So let's head over to Help Center and click on it, and that should open up the Help Center page directly on our screen. Now once we are here, we can scroll down and look out for our issue category. So here we can look out for different options. Apart from that, if you want to contact the support, we can scroll down directly and we should be finding a section called Contact Us. So we have an online service, which is 24/7 service for buyer. You can click on this option and you can choose up your issue category, such as apply for refund and send it. And then you can select the order for checking and just go over and provide in the necessary details. You may also need to fill in the form. If applicable, we can provide in those kind of information and go ahead and explain the issue, and you can submit the live chat. Otherwise, we also have a survey section where we can click on and answer the survey, and that way we should be able to fill out this form and use this message center for order related issues, extract and also save, and also keep all the communications within Alibaba to protect trade assurance rights. For urgent issues, you can also live chat usually, and that should give you faster response. But for now, yeah, that's it everybody. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.